Hi, one of the most popular posts on my blog is my A to Z everything you wanted to know about Pixi Glow Tonic. It's not a review, it's a Q&A rather. So I get asked questions about Pixi Glow Tonic very often. I think it is the most popular question as well to ask, and it is also the best way of getting your glow or retaining your glow through the holiday season. So let's talk about Pixi Glow Tonic as well as their new Rose Tonic, and Pixi has kindly sent me some samples of Rose Tonic as well as Glow Tonic to try out and compare and contrast for you. Now, I'm a huge fan of Glow Tonic. This bought by me is probably my sixth bottle or so of this stuff. You can see about 4 or 5 bottles, previous bottles in my blog post, which I shall link below. I think that was about 3 years ago or 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago or so on my blog. And it is, again, one of the most popular posts on my blog till date. And I will always be repurchasing this. So not a PR sample, is a PR sample. That is Rose Tonic and the travel edition of the Glow Tonic as well. Disclosure. So here's what Pixie says. The Glow Tonic is intended to exfoliate and brighten. Formulated with 5% glycolic acid, this miracle working toner exfoliates, brightens and smooths skin, resulting in a healthier glow. Now, Rose Tonic, it is intended to balance and calm. Naturally soothing and rich in nutrients, this tonic helps to tone, balance pH, minimize redness and calm the skin. So for those who haven't read my blog post and can't be asked to, I'll just tell you very quickly, what is the Pixi Glow Tonic? It is an alcohol-free, very gentle, glow-inducing chemical exfoliant. Exfoliate, remove dead cells. It is also, incidentally, the first ever skincare product that I bought, have used regularly, and the product that got me into skincare first. So what is in it? First of all, glycolic acid, 5%. Glycolic acid is a product that dissolves the bonds between cells, bonds holding cells together. Now calm down, your entire face isn't going to disintegrate as a result. It works on the surface area, on the uppermost level, that is, it dissolves the bonds holding dead cells together. So those dead cells are gone, and that is exfoliation without using a scrub, without a harsh treatment like that, very gently done. It also contains ginseng, which improves circulation, and aloe vera, which obviously is for soothing. It is, as I said, alcohol-free and cruelty-free. It also contains witch hazel extract. I think that contains salicylic or some form of betaine salicylate, which is acne preventive as well. It also contains horse chestnut seed extract. So that's what is inside. Now what it does, as I told you, the 5% glycolic is what is known as an alpha hydroxy acid. It gently dissolves the bonds between cells, removes dead cells and resurfaces the skin. Witch hazel firms the skin. Aloe soothes. Horse chestnut and ginseng promotes skin circulation and skin health. So that's what's in it. Now, is it harsh and dry? No, obviously. 5% glycolic is the most gentle formulation. And combine that with ginseng and aloe vera and you have a very gentle product at hand. Incidentally, if you're very new to acids, if you're new to chemical exfoliation, this is where to start. What skin types will benefit from the Glow Tonic? Everyone. That's like saying what skin type will benefit from a moisturizer. So when do you use the Glow Tonic? Right after cleansing. Saturate a cotton pad with it. Tap, 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 tap. I would start, though, if you're very new to chemical exfoliation, with alternate nights, and then, move to every night. I now also use this in the morning, but I wouldn't recommend it to those who are very new to acids, because glycolic makes your skin very photosensitive, and over-exfoliation is a real thing. Been there, done that. Not with this, with harsher acids. So if you're very new, don't use this in the mornings. I use it in the mornings as well now, and apply a very strong SPF 50 sunscreen on top. So not too bad. Right now, I must confess, I use it every night for about 2 weeks after I've had laser resurfacing. Not on the very night I've had laser, but 3 nights after I've had laser resurfacing for acne scar erosion. Because once you have laser, you really don't want to go anywhere near that with a harsh product such as, the Alpha H Liquid Gold or the Dr. Dense Gross Alpha Beta Peel Extra Strength pads. You want something very gentle, otherwise it's going to sting like mad. It still does. Day 1, 2, and 3, right after laser, if you just splash your face with water, it stings like mad. So first 3 days, absolutely nothing. 4th day, once the scabs have formed, I go with Pixi Glow Tonic and then maintain that for about 10 to 12, sometimes 2 weeks, but generally 10 to 12 days before moving on to something a little bit stronger, Alpha H Liquid Gold, once a week or so. And then the laser repeats every 6 weeks. Or is supposed to have only had 1 session so far. Now, do you need to follow it up with another toner? Excuse me, throat's not all right. It's a personal choice. I would highly recommend going in with the Rose toner right after that one, right after the Glow Tonic, because it is very soothing, it's very gentle. Let's just talk about the Rose Tonic for a minute. Both these cost $29 for 250 mils, $15 for 100 mils. This one contains rose hydrosol for hydration. It is again cruelty-free. It also contains aloe vera and hyaluronic acid, the only molecule which can hold up to 1,000 times its own weight in water. It also contains citric acid and glycerin, chamomile extract. So it's very, very gentle. Now, if you're starting out with acid, you can either go in with Glow Tonic in the night and Rose Tonic in the morning, or you can follow up the Glow Tonic with the Rose Tonic anyway. That's what I'm doing right now. Incidentally, I have also decanted one of these into a spray bottle and I use it as a spritz during the day to refresh. Very, very nice. Perfect for irritated skin. Incidentally, those first 3 days right after laser, this is the only skincare that I used after my first session of laser. That was about 10 days or so ago. So right after laser, first 3 days, cleanse, spritz with the Rose Tonic and nothing else, because it's too sensitive and sore. This one wasn't sore at all. Very soothing. Highly recommend it. Now, smell. This one, fruity, lemony fruity, sweet and fruity. This one smells entirely of roses, floral rather. So both are stress busting, and particularly during that time of the month, I enjoy smelling this, believe it or not. It's very stress busting and calming to smell it during that time of the month, when all you want to do is, curl up into a pillow and feel a bit pukish. So when you feel a bit pukish, this is a nice smell. So what do these do apart from, exfoliation and soothing, as I said? This one, face hyperpigmentation. It helps prevent and control acne. This was, as I said, the first skincare product I took to. That was in late 2015, possibly the first skincare product I ever bought. My mom's given me moisturizers in her time, but I didn't really use them. Until late 2015, I had a huge breakout. So I read Caroline Hirons' blog, bought this, and the rest, as you know, is history. Right now, I'm a skincare junkie. So this is the product that began it all. Started a lifelong addiction. Huge thanks to Caroline Hirons, who probably doesn't know I exist, for introducing me to this product. And what else does it do? It also makes my pores less visible over time. So I really like that. And pigmentation begins fading in about 3 weeks or so and is all gone by 8 weeks, which is really nice. So this one is entirely soothing, and this one is a big guns, or, the starting point of big guns, really. So I'm very new to the Rose Tonic. I've only been using it from, I think, the first week of December or so. And as I told you, my favorite way of using it is by decanting it into a spray bottle and spritzing it all over. I also like following up the Glow Tonic in the mornings with the Rose Tonic, and using the Rose Tonic after my nightly acid in the evenings as well. So I think it is a very good dupe for the Thayer's Rose Tonic, Rose Toner. And it doesn't have that cloyingly strong floral fragrance that Thayer's has, which some people don't really like. This is a very mild smell. It does smell of roses, it's very mild. So you've heard of multi-masking. Now it's all about multi-toning, and first you go in with an acid toner and then follow up with a soothing rose toner. And that is what gives you the best glow. And that is my tip for getting or for maintaining your glow even during the holiday season, with all the excesses, with all the parties. Mild acid toner followed by soothing toner, get the glow. So have you used Pixi Glow Tonic? What are your thoughts? Are you a fan or are you new to it? Will you be trying it out? Do tell me in the comments box below. I would also love to know what your skincare routine is and what your tips are for maintaining your glow during the holiday season. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up and please hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.